This bridge is way too high.
Please don't look down.
Keep moving. We're almost across.
The Crystal Desert.
The second relic is somewhere out there.
That's a lot of sand.
Good thing I planned ahead.
You built that yourself?
Obviously. A storm is coming.
That doesn't look like a normal storm. Take cover!
Those crystals are sharp!
Stay behind me! Barrier up! That was way too close.
My glider almost got shredded.
At least we made it.
The relic is guiding us. That's incredible.
Now we know where to go.
That thing is huge! Why is everything trying to kill us?
Get ready!
Luna, now! Target locked.
Hammer strike!
Hold it in place. We actually beat it. Look over there. The Temple of Crystals.
The second Guardian relic is waiting for us.
This place has been waiting for us. The Guardians once trained here. Everything is still powered by magic. I don't like this. Those reflections aren't copying us.
Stay close. You will fail.
These are only fears.
No, that's not my future.
We believe in you. You've got this.
The truth is stronger than fear. My fear doesn't define me.
Only those united by trust could unlock the temple's greatest secret. It's some kind of guardian puzzle. Every symbol means something. We must solve it together. 7 symbols, 7 guardians. Each one represents a different virtue. The temple is testing our hearts. I just hope the answer isn't another monster.
The Guardian of Courage has been chosen.
I didn't choose this. No, it chose you.
The temple recognizes your heart.
I knew you were special.
The Chamber of Courage had remained sealed for 1,000 years.
So this is the second Guardian relic. Don't touch it yet. This isn't a gift, it's a test.
I've got a bad feeling about those statues.
True guardians do not fight with anger. Guess smashing things isn't the answer this time.
Stand together. That's what they're testing.
The heroes took another step.
I can feel its power.
Now that's well a victory. But an ancient darkness prepared its next move. The Obsidian Mountains, we're getting closer.
According to the compass, we'll reach them before nightfall. Stay focused.
That thing is bigger than a house!
It's not attacking.
No, it's tracking us. Then we're running out of time.
The mountain is awake.
I don't like how quiet it is.
My compass is acting strange. I sense a presence.
Identify yourselves.
We're searching for the remaining
We
relics.
seek peace, not conflict.
Guardian credentials verified.